If you're here because your dishwasher isn't performing as it should, I'm here to help you navigate through this. Today, we'll focus on how to reset a dishwasher. A simple yet effective solution that can resolve many common issues, from unresponsive controls to strange error codes. First, let's discuss why you might need to reset your dishwasher. Often, minor glitches occur due to power surges or prolonged use. These can lead to problems like the machine not starting, being stuck on a particular cycle, or displaying error messages. Fortunately, learning how to reset a dishwasher can bring it back to life in no time. To start, the method for resetting may vary slightly depending on your dishwasher model, but the basic approach is generally the same. First, locate the power button on your dishwasher. If your model has a cancel or reset button, you'll want to press that. Hold it for about 3 seconds, and you should hear a sound indicating the machine is responding. If this doesn't do the trick, turning off the power entirely is the next step. For many dishwashers, especially those with electronic displays, it's effective to unplug the appliance from the wall or turn off the circuit breaker. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before reconnecting the power. This pause allows the machine to clear any internal errors. After plugging it back in, you can try starting a new cycle. It's essential to remember that different brands may have unique features, but this general guide on how to reset a dishwasher applies to most models. If you own a Bosch, for instance, pressing and holding the start button for a few seconds can also help. For Whirlpool models, simply hitting the start reset button might be all you need. If you've tried resetting but the issue persists, there could be a deeper problem at play. In that case, I recommend contacting a professional technician. They can perform a thorough inspection and provide you with solutions tailored to your specific situation. In summary, knowing how to reset a dishwasher is a handy skill that can save you time and frustration. Don't let a minor hiccup derail your dishwashing routine. Try these steps, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. I'm here to assist you.